nice to see you again, and thank you for watching Cooking with an Italian. Today, guys, when you have very, no, you don't want to cook, lazy kitchen, easy and taste. We have a pasta and ricotta. We need 10-15 minutes at all. We need just 2 ingredients. You see, we show you, we have ricotta cheese and I use the guanciale. Guanciale, I make this guanciale, but if you don't find guanciale, you can use pancetta, some lard or bacon, anything you like. Because pasta and ricotta is quite taste, but it's a little boring. But when we put some guanciale or pancetta, we elevate in very good stuff. Okay? Well, what we need, I will put the gas on here. We start warm the pot, my wok. The water for the pasta is already ready, and I cut not too much. This is I'm gonna do just a plate for the video, What we need is this, guys. Chop like that. You see, stuff like that. We make crispy. Yeah, it's just like, look at that, super nice. It's enough. We need just a little bit, okay? Now, a nice 2-3 teaspoons of olive oil. Well, maybe 2 tablespoons, okay. We put in, we're gonna make this very crispy. I think I'm gonna add some more. Always, guys, if you like this video, share with friends, subscribe to the channel, check our website cookingwithanitalian.com. Well, this is stuff absolutely delicious, Okay, I don't want to be long, but we make crispy this guanciale, and when it's ready and crispy, I show you. We put the pasta and the job is almost done. Okay, see you soon. Okay, guys, when the bacon is like that, just take out from the flame and we put it somewhere. Okay, and this oil, keep it, because later we're gonna put the pasta inside here and we're gonna mix with the ricotta cheese. Okay, now basically the job is done. Now, I use the penne, but you can use any pasta you like. I prefer penne because the ricotta going inside, it's very, very good. Okay, pasta in. When the pasta is ready, I'll show you the next step, okay? Okay, guys, the pasta, we're gonna take al dente, and mine is already done. I put on this oil and start put the pasta inside. Like this. We use this water if we need. In this oil now, yeah. Like this. And now, what we're gonna do, guys? We add the ricotta cheese. With this ricotta cheese, we try to mix a little bit now. And to melt it, we need water, okay? That's why we need al dente, because this pasta gonna cook in ricotta a little bit, okay? Look at that. Oh, it's in South Italy, where I come from, in Puglia. It's quite common, but it's different way they make. Okay, look at that. Oh, look. It's my way to cook this pasta. Now we leave to cook another 1-2 minutes and the job is done. Look at that. Fantastic. 2 minutes, I just want a little bit gonna reduce the water. Keep always stirring the pasta ricotta and the job is done, guys. Oh, look at that. Done. Now, straight away, we put in the plate and with our guanciale, we put some on the top like this. Guys, the job is done. This is the pasta ricotta, and that one I want to leave for maybe for the picture, but I wanna try it. My partner Susie, she never tried. Gonna be very odd. Absolutely delicious. Absolutely fantastic. Pasta, ricotta e guanciale is this. It's quite different, but so cool. Is this. If you like, guys, finger up and follow us. Ciao.